Hi guys, SQ11 cameras. I've had that one for a long time. I was so pleased with it, I bought another one, which I've had for quite a long time. But I very rarely use that one because I use that one all the time. And today I was going to try this one out. Put it on charge, LED flashes for it charging, but it didn't stop flashing. And then when I've unplugged it, if I press the button, nothing happens. What should happen is we should have a red LED flashing there. So I'm guessing there's probably something wrong with the battery. So I'll have a little look inside. Now that's fooled me. I was expecting to see a screw on the back. Well, this is live as we look at it. I haven't practiced this. So I was expecting there to be a screw on the back, but there definitely isn't one there. So that makes me think maybe this is clipped together. Nope, nothing moving there. Oh, this is a surprise. No, that doesn't want to come off. Ah, right. So I'm pretty sure, yeah, that one's got a screw on the back. Let's do that close so you can actually see it. And that's what I was expecting, but this one doesn't. It's actually just clipped together. There's the battery. And get to that side. There we go. It's not really something. That's definitely it. There we go. So there we go. It's being awkward. Right. I probably ought to go close-up mode, shouldn't I? Let's stop and go close-up. Quick recap. So that piece goes all the way around the outside in the middle and didn't have a screw on the back of it like the other one. It's just clipped in place. So here we are. There's our battery. I suppose I ought to get a meter and just measure and see if we've actually got any voltage. Well, that's fine. Well, fine. It's a bit low. LiPo battery, 3.7 volts. So yeah, maybe it's not holding charge. That is a tiny battery. Half of that's foam, thickener. I wonder if I don't I don't remember whether I took that one apart or not. I'm just wondering whether this is one of the fakes and they put an extra small battery in it. I suppose the next thing to do would be to desolder that battery and put a larger one in there, if I've got any that would still fit inside the case. So that's the area we've got that we could get a battery into. I'll go and have a look at my stock of batteries. Right, I do have some batteries here. Similar size. These are a bit thicker. That says a 100 milliamp hour on it. There doesn't appear to be anything written on the one that's there. Right, well, we'll see if we can get that one to fit in there. Looks like it should fit in the same space. My hands are going to get in the way when I try and solder it, so we'll stop filming and we'll come back in a minute. That's the battery replaced. Got a blue light on. That probably means it started recording straight away. There must be charge in that battery already. Right, well, we might have fixed it then. It may simply have been that battery was no use. Because the next question is, will that battery fit in the space available? So I'll see if I can get it back together. I can figure it out. That's got to be that way up. And that's got to fit in there, which it does. And that's got to be the other side. Like that. Oh, mustn't forget that. Right, that's in place. I do believe I've got it back together. So blue light on. Press that once, goes to red light. Press that, we're in recording mode. Hold it in for a long time, we should get a flash and it should turn everything off. Off, that's it, right. Battery's in, cover's back on, light is flashing while it's charging. So we'll come back later and see if it's fully charged. Well, I was just about to go to bed, but I've noticed it has stopped flashing, so that means it's fully charged. Right, so it looks like we've got a new battery in there that's taken charge and it's worked. How long it actually records for, we can check at a different time. But at the moment, I'm just happy that it's working, because it wasn't working with the other battery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.